Alright, good morning everyone. Today is 600 hours on Wednesday, April 24th, 2024. And today we have our day 1 outlook to look at today. Oops, that's tomorrow. I promise you that. There we go. Alright, today's outlook, we have a slight risk. A little bit larger, but not too large. And then we have a marginal surrounding it. The margin's going to only be in Texas and Oklahoma, if you can see that there. Cities that are only expected to be in the slight risk include like Lubbock, Big Spring, Sweetwater, Snyder, and Lamesa, Texas, I think is how you say that. And marginal for Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Abilene, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Wichita Falls, Texas. Those places there are under the marginal, and the green, the yellow is the slight, the green is the marginal. So we only have a 2% tornado risk, and that is in, it looks like, the slight risk area to me, so not going to be too significant with the tornado risk. Like Lubbock, Midland, Texas is going to be in it, Big Spring, Levelland, and Snyder, I think is how you say that, Levelland, Texas. But yeah, today is wind risk. We have a 15%, we have a small 5%, a really small 5% surrounding it. It's not even the whole marginal risk, so it's not going to be too much. If we do see anything, it might be a 1-inch hail diameter to a couple inch, maybe even 2 inches, but that's pretty much it. But the 5%, I think you're gonna see about maybe 1 inch of hail in the diameter at least, if not maybe less, because it might not get as severe, but there's still the potential for severe hail sizes. Cities are under the 15%, like Lubbock, Big Spring, Sweetwater, Snyder, and Lamesa, Texas. Marginal for Abilene, Midland, Odessa, Plainview, Texas, even in it, and West Odessa, Texas, even in the 5%. So it's not even covering the same area as the entire risk. The thing that really does it is the hail. So, oh wait, no, this was the wind risk. If you do this wind risk, I do apologize. It is wind risk. I just get myself mixed up sometimes. This is the day 1 wind risk. Excuse me. So you might see some 60-mile-per-hour winds, maybe even 70-mile-per-hour winds in the 15%, but the 5% you might see 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. But if you don't get there, that's okay. That's what they're forecasting for what the Storm Prediction Center has out. Now, this is a hail risk, which we got a significant severe for Lubbock, Big Spring, Sweetwater, Snyder, and Lamesa, Texas. But they also are under the 15%, so yeah, but the marginal risk has a 5% hail risk, so 1 inch of hail in diameter, maybe a $half size, as big as it's going to get, or that's pretty much how it's going to get. But if you're into 5%, such as like Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Abilene, Norman, or Wichita Falls, you might not see much. If you do see hail, it might be 1 inch in diameter, but you might also not get there in time. So, not get there in time, but you might not get there, and the storms will not be severe. So, that's basically today's outlook. I'll make this part larger so y'all can read it. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible today across parts of Oklahoma and West Texas. Large hail and severe gusts will be the main threat. So, yeah, it's basically all today's forecasting. Tomorrow through like Sunday is going to be when it's really going to get started, because tomorrow we've gotten enhanced. You saw a peak of tomorrow's risk today. Alright, so that's basically today's risk. I hope you guys stay safe out there, and I hope you have a good day.